Do you think brownies are better warm or cold? See, this might sound controversial to some people, but I really enjoy a brownie when it's fresh out the fridge. But I obviously understand why everyone wants a warm brownie. And if I was having it as like a full-on dessert, I'd probably say warm, but it's got to be served with ice cream. My boyfriend Taylor always leaves the ice cream, even when he has like a cookie dough or something, he'll just eat the cookie dough warm. And I don't know how the hell he does that. I love the balance of a soft brownie with the cold ice cream. Oh, it's just so good. And for this one, we're even adding some of our bueno sauce. It's a great addition to any dessert, by the way, so I will link in the video. But yeah, that is it all done, and let me know which one you prefer.